It's Ray, and I'm back again. This time with some awesome news. So our app has been rated by Google, and we have been awarded the Editor's Choice Award. So this is the first time for an Indian app, and we won this award a few years ago. And to get it for the second time is just ultimately amazing. And in order for Google to rate apps and to award, to give out this prestigious award to our app, it has to go through a certain an app has to fulfill a certain conditions to gain this award. So the first condition is that it needs to ensure the security of its users, and our app does just that. We make sure that our users' information is not accessed by any third party, and we do our best to ensure that you have ultimate security on our app. And the second feature that the app must have is a great user interface and great user experience, which many of our users have rated as excellent. So thank you guys. And the third important feature that the app should have is many users, and we have over 1 million users and counting actually, and we hope to gain more in the future. And the last thing is that it should have great and interesting new features. So our app has exciting features for you to try out, and today I'm going to demonstrate them for you. So let's check out these features. So first, you're going to open up the app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it, go to Google's Play Store and you'll get the app. It's absolutely free. So once you've opened the app on your phone, you'll get the home page that looks like this. So the first feature that we're going to show you on this app is the shake and make feature. Now this is like pretty exciting. Yikes, my phone went off again. So the shake and make feature right on the top. If you click on the shake and make feature, what it helps you to do is select the ingredients that you have at home. So whatever ingredients you have in your kitchen, you can select those ingredients. And when you shake your phone, bam, all the recipes that are related to these ingredients pop up. So I'm going to select 2 ingredients, coconut and chili. So I selected 2 ingredients. You can see they come right there at the bottom, right? So I'm going to shake the phone, shaking it, and voila. All the recipes that are related to coconut and chili has just popped up. So let's see, we have chutneys, we have kurma, veg kurma, we have different curries, right? We've got coconut and chili based curries. So this is just amazing. You can show it off to your friends and just let them have a try. It's just so awesome to select ingredients and just have your phone pop up all the recipes when you shake it, you know? It's just amazing. So the second new feature that we're going to show you is the snap and cook. So right next to shake and make, you have snap and cook. So once you select snap and cook, it'll ask you to enable your camera. So you just open your camera. So snap and cook, it allows you to take a picture of any vegetable or fruit, and it will identify the vegetable and fruit, and it will then pop up all the when you shake the phone, all the recipes related to that particular vegetable or fruit will pop up. So unfortunately, I don't have a vegetable or a fruit, so I do have a picture of an apple on a tablet right here, and I'm going to take a picture of that. Okay. So I took a picture of that, and you can see it'll give me the tick mark to confirm. So I select the tick mark, and it's uploading file. So right now the app will identify that this is an apple. So you can see right here it identified apple. Now it's time to shake the phone and get those recipes. Shaking, and voila. Oh, my phone goes off again. Should have adjusted the timer. Anyways, here's all the recipes that are related to apples. So we have apples and custard. We have sinful apples, strawberry and applesauce. Yum. So you can see these are 2 exciting features, and your children will be amazed by it. I mean, imagine you just snap a picture of an apple and you get all the recipes by simply shaking your phone. You better show this app off to all your friends. It's so amazing. So the next thing that I'd like to talk about is the contest. Now, everyone loves contests because there's always that opportunity where you can win amazing and exciting prizes. So if you go back to the app, the homepage of the app, you will see the menu button on the corner. So when you tap on the menu button, you will see contest. So select on contest, and you will see the present or the live contest that is happening right now. So these are the two contests that are happening right now, and it's the last day for these two contests. It is Chocolate Case Diary and Lunch Marathon. If you want to upload any of your recipes to these contests, all you have to do is click on that and scroll down. You will see join contest. So once you click on join contest, it will ask you to upload a recipe, right? So you upload your recipe and upload the ingredients and you post it. And then you stand a chance to win amazing prizes. So if you go back, you will see all the prizes here. And I'm a huge chocolate lover, and check out these amazing prizes. Top contributor gets a chocolate melting pot with an entire chocolate making kit. How awesome is that? Anyways, so that is the contest for today. And like I said, we're ending today, but there is a button right here that's the icon that says upcoming contest. So if you click on that, you will see the upcoming contest. And so one of the upcoming contests that starts from tomorrow, guys, is traditional recipes. So you can upload any traditional recipe, and in fact, most of the food that we consume are traditional recipes, right? So dal or dosha or any of your recipes that you have that are super traditional, upload it, because you stand a chance to win amazing prizes. And you can check out those prizes when you click on that contest button. And like I said, it will start from tomorrow. So don't miss out on that opportunity. Make sure you upload your recipes. And the last feature that I'm going to show you is feeds. So if you go back to the home page of our app and you check out the bottom, we've got a lot of options here. You will see on the left-hand corner, if I hold my phone this way, is the option of feeds. So when you click on feeds, it'll show you, it'll ask you to choose whatever channels or recipes or chefs that you love the most. So I love Gordon Ramsay, and I love Tasty. I love the channel Tasty. They got such awesome videos. So once you select on that, whenever Tasty posts a new video, it'll automatically come to your feed. So you don't have to open YouTube, you don't have to open anything else, you just have to open the app. And like I just did, so these are feeds, and all of Tasty's new videos or Gordon Ramsay's new recipes, anything and everything will pop up on feeds, and you can just access that. So I hope that you guys love this demonstration of our app, and I hope that you will download it and use it, because it's amazing. Just show it off to your friends. It's totally cool, and I hope that we get more uses. So all the best. Until next time. Bye.